How to open a PDF document on your iPhone. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can go and open PDF files straight from your iPhone. Now, the first thing you can do is go and open the PDF from the Files app on your phone. So if you go and use the search box and search for files, you can open up this folder here. Now, if you've saved the PDF to your phone already, you can click on my iPhone, and here you'll find a list of files that have already been saved to your device. Now, if you click on the search box, you can go and type in PDF, and this will show you all of the PDF files that you currently have saved. Now, to open this, you can just click on it like so, and it should automatically open up from here. Now, if you're trying to open up a PDF file from an email, so let's say you have an email and there's a PDF file attached to the email, well, you can just scroll down to the bottom of the email and you'll see we have these PDF attachments, and you can go and click on these in order to open up the PDF. Now, the final way to go and open PDF files on your iPhone is you need to head over to the App Store. From the App Store, we're going to use the search box to type in Adobe, and you need to download the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once it's finished downloading, we can open up the app, and it may ask you to sign into an account. You can just go and close out of all the notifications, and it will take you over to this homepage here. Now, all you need to do is go and click on Files from the bottom navigation. You can then select where you want to go and upload the PDF document from. So I'm going to click on iPhone Files, and then you can select your PDF document. And as you can see, this will also open up your PDF document, and you can actually edit this directly in the Adobe app.